U.S. Marine Corps selects XQ-58 Valkyrie drone to team with F-35s in future air combat. The U.S. Marine Corps has indeed selected a variant of the XQ-58 Valkyrie drone developed by Kratos Defense to serve as a collaborative combat aircraft, or CCA, that will team up with F-35 fighter jets in future operations. This decision was announced on January 8, 2026, as part of the Marine Air-Ground Task Force Uncrewed Expeditionary Tactical Aircraft, or MUX TACAIR program. Northrop Grumman, acting as the prime contractor, has been awarded a $231.5 million contract to integrate its advanced mission systems, sensors, and Prism open architecture autonomy software onto the Valkyrie platform, enabling scalable production and expeditionary capabilities tailored for Marine Corps needs. The Valkyrie is designed as an attritable, low-cost, unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, that can operate alongside manned aircraft like the F-35B and F-35C, extending their reach, absorbing risks in high-threat environments, and supporting tasks such as electronic warfare, surveillance, and kinetic strikes. This loyal wingman concept allows the drone to fly in formation with F-35s, sharing data and enhancing overall air power without putting additional pilots at risk. The program emphasizes rapid prototyping over traditional development, with a 24-month initial performance period focused on operational experimentation rather than just demonstrations. Here's a visual of the XQ-58 Valkyrie in flight alongside an F-35, illustrating the manned-unmanned teaming concept. Prior testing, including flights under the Penetrating Affordable Autonomous Collaborative Killer portfolio, PAACK-P initiative, has already demonstrated the Valkyrie's compatibility with Marine F-35s, informing this full program of record. The effort aligns with broader U.S. military trends toward integrating autonomous systems for peer-level conflicts, potentially revolutionizing air combat by making uncrewed platforms a persistent part of joint operations.